Here is the first of those reports, the transaction history report. Here you can see the underlying report that sits behind the Transactions tab. There's a lot of information on this report, from the date, the source name, transaction hash, order type, and so on. Next, we have our portfolio balances report. This report shows a holistic view of each asset across all your sources, or you can even pull this report broken down by wallet. Here, we can see the month-end balances of each asset. The timestamp is midnight at the end of each month. You can see the asset, the balance, the inventory cost, the average daily price, the asset market value of that balance, and the unrealized gain and loss. If we take a look at this Anchor ETH, for example, we can see how the balance changed over the past 6 months, thus how the inventory cost changed. Then you can see the changes in the price, the market value, and ultimately the unrealized gain and loss. This report is great for doing month-end closing accounting. Finally, we have our realized gain and loss report in Cryptio format. Here you can see our assets on the date acquired and date sold, whether they were short or long term, what the transaction type was, and lots more information. Most importantly, the balance, inventory cost, cost basis, proceeds, and gain or loss for each transaction. You can also see other information like the transaction hash and links to block explorers. At the bottom of this report, we get a summary that will show us the total cost basis, the total proceeds, and the total gain and loss. You can then use these figures to produce tax reports.